Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Relevance AI, a groundbreaking platform that empowers teams to build and deploy AI agents without coding. This video is split into timestamps, so skip ahead if you're here for something specific. What is Relevance AI? Relevance AI is a low-code, so like no-code, platform for creating and managing AI-driven workflows. It allows businesses to automate complex tasks like customer support, data analysis, and content generation using customizable AI agents. Key features include multi-provider AI support, integrate models like GPT-4, Claude, and Cohere, visual builder, drag and drop interface for designing AI workflows, magic deployment, fully managed infrastructure for seamless scaling, vector database, built-in tool for efficient data storage and retrieval. What is Relevance AI doing? Relevance AI focuses on democratizing enterprise AI, automating repetitive tasks, handle customer inquiries, process documents, and classify data 24/7. Data analysis, extract insights from unstructured data, e.g. customer feedback, emails in minutes. Content generation, create marketing copy, report, and social media posts tailored to your brand. Team collaboration, deploy AI workforces where agents collaborate like humans but work at machine speed. Pro tip, use the knowledge graph integration to connect disparate data sources for smarter decision making. Price. Relevance AI offers a free plan which includes 100 daily credits, 10 megabytes of storage, and basic access to large language models. The Pro plan at $19 per month unlocks 10,000 credits, bulk app runs, and live chat support. For larger teams, the team plan costs $199 per month, offering 100,000 credits, access for 10 users, and premium integration. The business plan at $599 per month includes 300,000 credits, unlimited users, and dedicated customer support. All paid plans come with magic, deployment, and priority access to AI models. How to use Relevance AI. Build a customer support agent in 5 minutes. Sign up, visit Relevance AI, start with the free plan. Create agent. Use the visual builder to design workflows. Train AI. Upload historical support tickets to refine response accuracy. Deploy. Activate your AI agent and monitor performance via real-time analytics.